Hi there, I'm Jenny, your Good Mood Flat Tummy AI assistant. I'm here to help you learn more about the different digestive testing available to you in Philip's clinical practice. Not all digestive testing is the same. However, with Philip's help, you can find the right type of testing for what you are interested in finding out. For example, did you know that up to 40% of IBS can be caused by a small intestinal bacterial overgrowth or SIBO? Lactulose breath testing for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth levels are available and are commonly used for people who feel bloated an hour or so after eating. This test requires some fasting, being off probiotics and antibiotics for a period of time, but can, however, show a clear picture as to the origin of some of your IBS symptoms. If you want to know more about the connection between SIBO and IBS, then you've come to the right place, as Philip has written a complete article on the connection between the two, complete with references from the journals supporting the connection right here on Good Mood, Flat Tummy. But Jenny, what happens next if my results come back positive for SIBO? This is exactly where Philip comes in. The good news here is that small intestinal bacterial overgrowth cases can respond better to natural medicine interventions than antibiotics once the presence of the overgrowth is confirmed by the test. The study referenced here from 2014 showed that herbal medicine was at least equivalent in its efficacy in clearing SIBO when compared to the antibiotic alternative. But wait, there's more. Stool testing can help to get a more comprehensive understanding of what might be contributing to your digestive and gut symptoms. Comprehensive stool exams are best for those with a variety of digestive symptoms, including abdominal pain and discomfort, whilst the SIBO breath test is specific for those with more upper abdominal bloating and symptoms. The comprehensive stool test covers the lower part of the digestion, including the large intestine and colon. These can be key sites of bacterial overgrowth commonly implicated in inflammatory and autoimmune conditions, as well as digestive complaints. So, what does a comprehensive stool analysis measure, and how can a test like this help you? Let's have a look at some of the key markers, starting with bacterial and viral infections. Bacterial infections such as Giardia, Helicobacter pylori, E. coli, and Salmonella are common bacterial infections seen in stool exams and may help explain some of your more extreme digestive symptoms, like diarrhea, for example. Candida and yeast markers. Small intestinal fungal overgrowths can appear in 20% of digestive cases, making it an important consideration. Not only this, but did you know that Candida can be one of the reasons that causes your immune system to lose its tolerance to food? Evidence of leaky gut. Another key marker we can look at is zonulin. This compound signals a level of immune activation that can cause leaky gut and can help pave the way for a successful treatment. Evidence of parasitic infection. Parasites can also be a hidden factor in digestive cases, especially where your symptoms haven't responded to other treatments. Other markers can also include a specific enzyme created by the digestion that dictates your estrogen detoxification, an important consideration if you think your gut is messing with your hormones. It doesn't stop there. I said these stool tests were comprehensive, didn't I? There are some great markers that can tell us a lot about your foundational gut health. For example, nutrient absorption. Markers relating to how you digest and transport protein, carbohydrates, and fat can help to explain the origin of some of your IBS symptoms. For example, elastase, one of the markers we can measure, signals how effective your stomach acid is. The strength of your stomach acid, or lack of, can cause downstream symptoms in your small and large intestine, especially as they relate back to food. What about your probiotic levels? Well, we can measure the foundational species for you too, offering insights into the key species you need to create a healthy gut in the long term. Prebiotic levels. Prebiotics are indicative of your dietary fiber intake and are critical when it comes to managing inflammation in the gut. Digestive immunity. Did you know that some people's sensitivities to food can be caused by a suppression of vital immune cells in your mouth and stomach? We can measure the levels of these cells in your stool and gain important insights into what might be causing your issues with food. Confused? Not quite sure which test might help you? This is where Philip can help. Simply click on the links below this video to schedule an appointment based on where you live, and we can start the process of finding the right test for you. Thanks for watching this introduction to digestive testing on behalf of Philip Watkins and I. We hope it helped to introduce how digestive testing might be able to assist you to get one step closer from being bloated and tired to free and inspired. Ciao, ciao.